Hi guys, sorry it's been so long. I had a heck of a weekend, and I'll tell you about that later. My dear friend Andera, Cutie the newbie, she wants me to do a a browns, and I think a green as well. So I'm going to step out of my comfort zone, and we're going to attempt this. Now these paints have been down here a long time, over a year. I tried to shake them up as best as I could. So, I did find, by the way, folk art glow in the dark mixed with Floetrol. So, yeah, just wait until Halloween time. We will certainly use that. Okay, so I don't accidentally put it in there. Okay, we're going to do a blowout. I know. Y'all sick of it, but I love doing them. So let's start with the, what is it? Burnt umber. We're going to start with that. Oh, goodness gracious. Let's get the little, there we go. We're just going to go as usual from corner to corner. Unless this doesn't even want to come out. Wouldn't that be funny? I got this already and it doesn't want to come out. I have nothing to stick in there that I'm aware of. I'm looking at my tools. Nope. Okay, let's just hope. There, we can do an imaginary. How's that sound? Oh my goodness gracious. Alright, let's put you over here. We may have to go with plan B because I thought, well, I could do two tonight. Okay. We're going to try the Red Ochre. See if that works. Oh, this is not looking too promising, guys. Oh, there we go. Now, these might even be too thick, actually. Now that I think about it, because I did them way back before I knew what all I was doing. Eek. Alright. Yeah. Okay. We're going to go with the Parchment and Red Ochre that I have mixed together. I'm going to see how that goes. Yikes. Alright. And that looks like it's going to be usable. Oh, these are so close to the coloring of each other. Oh, Lord have mercy. This may be a flub. I don't know. I just used the Red Ochre. Okay. Let's go with the Naples Yellow. Go, Naples, go. Alright. That looks like it's... Oh, this better come out a lot better than it's looking right now. Oh, my gracious. Oh, my goodness gracious, guys. I'm probably going to have to add water to these. My apologies. Alright, I think this is Parchment. Yes, this is Parchment. I thought I'd shaken them all pretty well, but maybe not. Okay. Here we go with Parchment. Alright, we're just going to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. I was going to try and find my... I think it's over here. Back yonder. Back behind me. Okay. I'm going to try and find the... That's it. Emerald green with mixed with black. Alright, we're gonna... That's the way it should flow. See? See the difference, guys? Okay. And now we're going to go with the bronze. Yes, bronze. Which, fingers crossed, y'all. Well, that doesn't look much different than the... Okay. Lord have mercy. Help me out here. Whew. Alright. So, okay, I can see the difference now. So, let's get to blowing. Hangy hody. The chair's behind me. Alright. take out anything in your ears. This could get kind of loud. It doesn't for me, but okay. Here we go. Fingers crossed, guys. Ooh, it's traveling up. I always think that cover was at least one corner. There we go. Alright. This one down here can... Well, it's kind of moving down there. Wow, this is, okay. Alrighty. One moment while I study it. Okay. This will be different than I normally do. And, yeah. Wows. Let's bring y'all down for a close-up. Hangy hody ho ho ho. Alright. I may have to wait for that next one until tomorrow because this is pretty darn liquidy. Trying to see if I can get any more cells to pop up. Except for some that I went over, it's like, oh, poo. I like those. Alrighties. So I was hoping the bronze would put some cells into there because of the metallic of it. Okay, guys, I'll shut up. And I'm going to bring you guys down. So, helmets and seatbelts, please. Here we go. Okay. This can be a short one today, isn't it? Alright. Here we have a corner. Could you tell? Okay. This would be a very nice fall piece, wouldn't it? Okay, I kind of freaked out a little bit. The camera touched my hair. Alright. Now I'm going to have to work on that corner a little bit more. And on the edges as well. Sorry. Got off track. Squirrel. Alrighties. What are we thinking, guys? What are we thinking? That's kind of cool looking there. That might yet grow. Okay. Wow. I don't know if I want to break the news on here on my next one. I gained family over the weekend. Yeah, I have a whole bunch of brothers. I was adopted at 13 days old, and, I did the ancestry thing, and, yeah, I was messaged by my nephew-in-law, yes, and, yeah, I've got some freaking awesome brothers out there, guys. I want to say 7. I think I make 8. I'm the only girl. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I want you guys, all my brothers, I cannot name you all at this moment. There's Terry, Phil, Kirk, John, Oh, I can't even think of the rest, you guys. I'm so sorry. It's still overwhelming in my head, but at least I can say my brothers and not go, oh my God. So it's very strange to me, very strange. Okay, but I want you guys to get together to message me because I want to know all your favorite colors. Because I want to do like a family of brothers and sister favorite color paint, but paint pour. Okay, guys. So that was my big news for the weekend. Yeah, it was crazy. I love it though. Wow, I've got so many pictures and just wowzers. Maybe I'll put them together, kind of, with their permission, and do a TikTok on it. Huh? I don't know. Yeah, so cool, guys, so cool. If you're adopted, my gosh, do Ancestry. It's amazing. Okay, we will see you guys next time on Happy with a Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. Bye for now, guys. Take care.